Hello, this is Jenny. I'm from Ultrasonic. Ultrasonic is a company which has about 15 years manufacturer foundation, and our main product is about ultrasonic welding machine. Today, I will make an introduction to show you how to do machine adjustment step by step when you got your machine. When you get the machine, it's inside the wooden package, and first you open it, and there are 3 parts inside the wooden package. The first part and the biggest one is this machine, ultrasonic welding machine, and the second part is the generator, which is inside the paper box, and the third part is the tool cabinet, which will help you adjusting the machine. Our engineer is to show how to adjust and use the machine step by step. The first step is to move the machine to the operating table. The second step is to first opening the paper box. Now we are opening the box. There is a generator inside the box. Our engineer is putting the generator inside the table. We are putting the machine on the table. You can see here, the top one is the machine, and the middle layer is the generator box, and the tool cabinet is at the bottom. The machine, there are 3 kinds of wire. This wire is button control wire. This wire is signal control wire. And the last wire is the transducer connection wire. This wire is button control wire. You can see here, there are multi-core. So please see here, this is the double core, this is the multi-core. So this wire should be connected here. Our engineer will show about it. Lock it. Please make sure it's connected correct. Next step is to connect the wire with the machine and the generator. There are totally 2 wires should be connected. This wire is transducer connection wire, and this wire is signal control wire. They both should be connected with the generator. I will show about it. This wire should be plugged into here. Clockwise and make it tight. This wire put here. Also clockwise. These 3 wire connected, we should connect with air compressor and the power supply, but make sure air compressor should be connected first. So now I'm showing how to connect the machine with air compressor. This is air supply. This is an air supply tube. One side is connected with air compressor, and the other side will be connected with our machine. So I will show about it. Please see here. This end will plug into this hole. And there is a filter devices on the machine here. So plug it into it. We will switch on the power. Now all connection work is done, and then we can test the machine. If it's working fine or not, we should do like this. First, turn on the generator, and then click the OSC check button for a while. There's ultrasonic, so it's fine. When the machine is working fine, and when we click the OSC check button, the overload lamp will be off. You can see here, it's off. When I click it, it's off. After we test the ultrasonic, the next step is we should test with whether the horn will go up and down normally. And the step is like this. First, put the machine at manual mode. You see here, make sure it's at manual mode. Then, click the two green buttons at the same time, and the horn will go down. Click the red button, make it up. So it's fine.